Barbies need to relax too. It's not easy being pink. The girls are having a fun house party, but their dolls are bored. We can't have that. We should come up with a way to entertain the Barbies. Oh, how about a pool? Pour water over Orbeez. Let them soak. Cover the edge of a round lid with a decorative cord. Pour the soaked Orbeez inside. What a wonderful, relaxing pool! It's a shame that it's too small for the girls, but our dolls will fit perfectly. This is a great idea for a Barbie party. Lucy and her Barbie are feeding the fish in their small, calming aquarium. What a cute way to wind down! Coat the edge of the bottom half of a plastic egg with Elmer's glue and sprinkle it with blue glitter. Coat it with acrylic polish. Put a pre-made light blue slime inside. Draw fish on a lid made out of food plastic. Color them in with permanent markers and cut them out. Make fish of different shapes and sizes. Heat the oven to 340 degrees and bake the fish for 1 minute. The plastic shrinks and evens out. Dip the fish into the slime. The aquarium is all done. Jessica spoils this underwater paradise. She just had a really stressful phone call. Calm down. Dip your fingers into our magic aquarium. Wow, it works! The Barbie fish removed all her worries. This slime aquarium is the perfect stress reliever for humans and Barbies. Shopping can be a great workout. After you're done, you should restore your strength. But Jessica is so energetic and refuses to let us relax. She wants to look at all our purchases right away. What about the dolls? No way! We're too tired for Barbies. Jessica has a soft cloud sofa that's perfect for this situation. Cut a cloud shape out of a piece of memory foam. Adjust the edges with nail scissors. That's the back of the couch. Mark the size of the seat on a second piece. Cut it out with a utility knife. Adjust the shape with nail scissors. Hot glue the seat and back together. Decorate the cloud with small pom-poms. This is the softest cloud ever! The girls can't stop playing with it. Okay, Jessica, you convinced us. Let's see how the dolls look on their soft new heavenly furniture. Jessica needs an ambulance, quick! Her doll was attacked by some rabid slime. What should we do? Calm down. Rosie knows a way to clean it. Let's conduct our anti-slime procedures and save the doll. Phew! My doll made it out okay. But Rosie keeps looking out for her. She brought de-stressing toothpaste for the doll. Color a small amount of Elmer's glue with pink acrylic paint. Add a pinch of baking soda and a couple drops of contact lens solution. Mix some mini slime. Cut the capsule off of a plastic pipette. Put the slime inside. Pinch the edge with tweezers and carefully seal it shut over a candle. Glue on a printed mini Barbie toothpaste label. Trim the end of a small plastic cap. Coat parchment paper with rich lotion. Apply a layer of hot glue and insert the cap. Close the top with glue. Trim the excess. Put the cap onto the tube of toothpaste. To cure the doll of her slime phobia, Rosie came up with a harmless slime toothpaste. Now Jessica's doll can play and relax. Rosie's on a diet! That means she can't have any sugar. But this looks so tempting. Quick, she needs to distract her thoughts and her hands with some sweet stress relief. Mark a circle on a sponge and draw a smaller circle inside. Cut it out with a utility knife. Remove the abrasive layer from the sponge. Adjust the edge with nail scissors. Glue the donut onto a piece of pink felt. Cut out glaze. Hot glue the felt glaze on and attach soft pom-poms as sprinkles. Instead of having a cookie, Rosie relaxes herself using a soft Barbie donut. This is definitely low calorie. And now it's Barbie's turn to relax. She's on a diet too. Our boring life was interrupted by a flood of bubbles, and also Rosie and her Barbie. Everybody has their own interests. Jessica loves bubbles, Lucy loves dolls, and Rosie will combine the two into one. We'll need an empty bottle from a perfume sample. Trim a piece of a straw and glue the ring onto the rod of the sample. Pour some bubble liquid into the bottle. Attach a printed label of Barbie Bubbles. Make a cap out of light pink clay. Trim the excess. These bubbles for Barbie are so tiny, the perfect size for a doll's hand. Now Barbie can have her very own foam party. Rosie is cramming before a test. My goodness, that's so much knowledge. Lucy suggests some doll therapy to get rid of this stress. Try coloring this Barbie's dress. Wrap a doll in a white foam sheet. Mark the size of the chest and the armholes. Cut out the pattern. Make a top. Slightly stretch the foam paper with your hands. Wrap the top around the doll and glue it on. Adjust the neckline. And glue the skirt together with a slit in the front. Attach a second layer on top. And a wide foam paper belt. Round the corners using small scissors. Draw coloring book illustrations on the dress using a permanent marker. Decorate the top, the belt, and the skirt. Let's design right on the doll's dress. What a stylish print! This stress-relieving fashion is a great idea. Rosie relaxed a little from all her intense studying. Jessica is exhausted. Hello, sweet couch! But her friends are so energetic. They're dragging Jess to come relax. The first step of the program is a soft, stress-relieving pillow. Make a pillow out of a piece of fabric with double-sided sequins. Turn it right side out. Fill it with stuffing. Glue the opening shut. How tiny! This sparkly travel pillow relaxes Jessica and makes her feel a lot better. Come on, let's go! Okay, girls, you convinced me! There's nothing good on TV? Then check out the Barbie show! Jessica proudly presents interactive Barbie TV with a relaxing effect. Glue a printed picture of Barbie TV to a rectangular piece of cardboard. Pour glycerin into a Ziploc bag. Add glitter and heart-shaped sparkles. Trim the edges of the bag and glue it on top of the picture. Cut a frame the size of cardboard out of pink foam paper. And glue it onto the screen. Cover the back of the cardboard with foam paper and cover the seams on the sides with thin strips of foam paper. This Barbie TV calms down and relaxes its viewers. The best part is, all the channels only show stress-relieving content. Did you like our stress-relieving Barbie ideas? Then let us know in the comments about how you're going to calm your doll's nerves. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new Barbie life hacks from Troom.